So, good evening. So, I'm Oginga Juniours, a pharmacist, currently practicing in the regulatory affairs space with a company called Discount Healthcare Limited. So, if you know a medication called Dismont, Disleaf, those are my products. Yeah, so I'm standing before you to share a testimony and to tell you about my experience with APN. I took the RA program. For the past 3 months, we've been doing classwork in RA. And one thing that I can tell you, APN is really doing a good job in mentoring professionals and juniors in pharmacy field and in medical field at large. So a highlight about the RA training with APN, during the 12-week program, we got to interact with the educators from the APN. One thing that I can say that the moment and the sessions were perspective widening, we got to know a lot of things about RA. One thing that I got to appreciate during the program, that the pharmacy training at school just provides us with the fundamental skills and knowledge required to execute diverse pharmaceutical roles, but it falls short of widening our perspective to the real life encounters in the field. So our encounter with APN was kind of an awakening. It widened our perspectives, it expanded our context, and above all, it loaded us with the content that we require to navigate the complexity in the pharmaceutical field. During the sessions, we got to know a lot of things in the RA field, the challenges that are currently the current pharmaceutical field is facing, and we even got to see the prospects of the pharmaceutical field and our roles as practitioners in shaping the future pharmacy roles. So what I can say is that I can thank the APN for availing the program so that people who are still green in the pharmacy field can shape their futures while before actually encountering the problems. And standing here as an APN empowered pharmacist, I want to kind of contribute to the ongoing topic of falsified products and counterfeits and substandard products, and say that and introduce to you the three meta paradigms of project operationalizations of the project itself, of the team, and of the individual. One thing that such forums is doing to us is that it is expanding our context to understand that there is a problem of falsified and substandard products in the market. And what is it doing? It is leveraging us by drawing us into teams and challenging us to utilize the collaborative paradigm to tackle the problem. So what we're basically saying, that when we're walking out of that door, we must hold each other's hands to fight the problem of falsified and substandard products. And the meta paradigm of project, it's simply reminding us that while we are walking outside that door, we must be having the expanded context and content and the willingness to work collaboratively towards tackling the problem. If we are not going to do that, then we will be allowed to blame even the building for convening us here, but us falling short to embrace collaborative approach in tackling the problem. Thank you, Kelvin, and thank you, the team, for the enlightenment. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's give him a round of applause.